how are you today? My name's Mel and welcome to Mel's Crafty Paper Place. It's a little bit chilly here in Queensland today, but it's nice, it's dry and the sun is shining. I can get some washing done, it's really good. Hope everyone's well. I have finally finished with this kit, the Uniquely Creative Kit Club kit for December 2019. I wanted to use some of my kits up because I have quite a few in my stash. A bit naughty, but you know, they are quite nice, so it is nice just to have them sitting there, but shh, don't tell anybody. So I finally finished this one. This one was really nice. I really liked the colours. Was quite easy to put photos with them because they are quite like the basic colours of the red and the blue and the green. They're quite nice, they're really lovely. I made so many layouts. I think I did 8 layouts, I think, with this. I'll have to count them in a moment, but first I want to show you what I've got left of the kit. That's it. That's everything. I think I made 8 layouts and ended up with enough product for 3 cards. I did bring in 1 piece of paper, I think, as a background, I think for this layout, I think it was. Yeah, but it was really nice. I really like it. It's really lovely. I ended up having 3 lots of collectibles, Cosy Craft collectibles. So I have got about 1 whole pack left, which I'll be keeping all of those. And I do have, this is the paper I have left from the kit. This is all that's left, and the strips. That's all I've got left. Oh, a little bit of corrugated card as well, but just small pieces. I'll probably go through and be tossing most of this because I'll just keep a few pieces like the doors and that I might be able to use with another kit, but otherwise I'll go through and probably throw out the teeny tiny pieces, of course. I'll probably put that back in with the ephemera. I think I have another little door, just a little piece, just offcut. A couple of labels from the cut apart sheet here. Yeah, there's not much in here at all. A little bit larger, but they're not super easy to use. So I'll probably end up tossing those because I'm quite happy with the amount of layouts that I got out of the kit. So yeah, I'll probably keep that. They're about the best size of pieces of paper that I've got, those doors. And a little bit of cut aparts there. I have, I think, 1 or 2 little metal embellishments. I think there's 2 there. Yeah, there's 2. So I have 2 of those. Be keeping those because they're super cute. I have the little ink pad that came with, but it's kind of dried up, so I'll probably end up throwing that in the bin. Another little scrap of paper. I have some tiles. I have a few different ones of these, so I'll keep some of those. Wood veneers, obviously. They're quite cute. It'd be nice on a grid layout, actually. Anyway, keep those. There's quite a few because I ended up having that. I did buy the extra pack, so I had lots of these. Flowers. I have lots of flowers left. I think I've used about half of 1 bunch. Yeah, because it came, and I bought the extra one, so I have heaps, but it's hard to get red flowers and blue flowers, so I'm actually really pleased that I've got some left because I will use these. I just snipped them all off at the base, down under here, and glued them on. So they're quite nice because they sit quite flat, so that's really nice. Quite like those, they're quite cute. And then I've just got a few of the barcode strips. I might keep some of the sentiment ones, but the ones from the cardstocks I'll be just throwing out. I did bring in a couple of extra embellishments, such as these blingy pieces. I used half of one of those, and I think I used a couple of really old Kaiser Craft brads. I hope you can see that. I don't want too much glare on it. Yeah, I did on one pack. I thought, oh, I'll try and use some older stuff up. And I brought in some other rhinestones as well, but I'll show you the layouts that I got completed. As I said, I think there was 8. So this is the first one. I'll just move this to the side a little bit so I can get in frame. So this is the first one, which I'm really happy with this one, how it turned out. And I put some extra, these are the extra rhinestones I brought in. I like a little bit of bling, so I popped a couple here and there. So that's one. Oh, I've got this left too. Actually, the sticker sheet with all of the alpha on it. I didn't really use this. So I have that left, which is fine. That will get used with other projects. I'll put that with my other sticker sheets. Oh, this one here I didn't have a photo for, but I did the layout in anyways. I quite like that. So obviously my photo will go here in the middle. And I used the gold Glitz and Glam. Here, I'll just reach over here and get it. What is it called? Yeah, Glitz and Glam Gold. So I used that through the stencil there. A bit of shine. Like a little bit of shine. Oh, you'll probably hear my husband yelling out to my son to go feed the chickens. They're going to go outside because it's really lovely outside. I also popped a little bit of, I don't know whether you can see it, a little bit in the middle of there, like a gem, sort of. Tried. Didn't really go very well. Hang on, let me see where I can go. Up there. Yeah, this one's probably turned out the best, that one there. Just a little bit of shine in there. But yeah, this one was really heavily layered. But I really like the way it turned out. Really nice, that one. And then this one of my husband and his nephew. So it's really cute. This was the piece of paper that I brought in from, I think it's Factory 42 or that, from Kaiser Craft. I bought this one in. So yeah, I've got that one there. I didn't add too much bling to this one because it was the boys, so just left that. So that's layout number 3. Layout number 4. This is my husband, Sergio, and he's sitting on a park bench in a park in Italy when we went back to Italy many years ago before we had kids. A little bit of extra bling on this one. And there's the brads I used, and one there, just to pop something extra in. But I like how this one turned out. So that's number 4. And number 5, this is my father-in-law and I comparing bellies when I was pregnant. Mine was still bigger. And then I put a whole lot of rhinestones around here and in the middle of the metal ones there. Quite like that. This was a really quick layout to do, but I really like this one. Love the carpet background. That's really cute. So it's 5. Number 6. Oh, this is my mum and my grandma and my son. So that's my grandma, my mum, my firstborn, and me many years ago. 14 and a bit years ago now. But I really like how this one turned out. But it is a bit flimsy, so I'm not sure whether I might end up backing this, because it should be alright in the folder, but I might do a little bit of something around the border. Just needs a little something, I think, but we'll see how it goes. We'll see what I do. I added some twine onto the tag as well to give a little bit more texture. I might put some little sprinkles of gemstones around as well, maybe in amongst this. It needs a little something, so I'll have a look at that later. But that's the basic layout done. Sometimes I do that when I go in and put my layouts away. This one here, once again, I haven't got a photo. I think I only pulled about 6 photos. so I didn't have quite enough, but these are all the pieces, and I left this unstuck so that I might be able to pop my photo in behind there. It's got a little bit of splattering on the honeycomb as well. I really like this one, it's super cute. This was fun to do, this one. I like the texture of the denim and the corrugated cardboard. And then these will just go over to the side and sit over there. So I'll probably put a picture of my son or my husband playing a computer game in there, maybe. Something like that. Pause my game to be here, maybe something else. But a little bit of texture with the... I wanted to put some twine on there. So that's, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's number 7. And then one more. Number 8. This one was quite hard to do too. So what I did with this one, instead of white paint, because I didn't have any white paint, I used some silver texture paste or Vicky Boutons on this one. I'll bring it a little closer so you can see. I sort of substituted with what I had. This is a pretty full-on layout. I think mine's a little bit more spread out. But anyway, I'm quite happy with the way it turned out. It's just me putting my feet up after a hard day at work. And this is where I brought the bling in, a little bit of bling. Just through here. I didn't end up putting all of the border strips underneath. I kind of forgot about them because, yeah, got a bit carried away. Forgot to look at the inspirational layout and then just forgot about it. I thought, oh, well, I'll just stick these on the top. That will do because it's very busy. But I'm really happy with that. So that's 8 layouts. And then the cards, I made a couple of cards. I wonder where my cards are. Oh, I'll just go grab them. Won't be a moment. Grab them from over here. I've got one. And I ran out of navy blue cardstock. So I've put my card fronts here, and then when I get some cardstock next time I'm down at Kaisercraft, I'll get some I think it was called Shadow. It's like navy blue cardstock, and I will then pop these on because I really wanted the blue. Yeah, this one turned out so cute. Popped the flowers on there. Did all the little gold dots, a little bit of bling. It's really pretty. Quite like that one, and it's just on craft cardstock. Really like that one. Has little tiles underneath. Really cute. I made that one. And then I put the other pieces for 2 more cards in here. So I've got all those in there for when I get my blue cardstock, and I will finish making those 2 cards as well. And this was the other front of the other card that I made. I have to pop it the way so you can see it, because I tend to look at it like this and you can't see. But this is really cute too. This one was really simple, but I really like this one. Colours are so rich. Really nice. So they're all together there. I have all the bits and pieces that I need. And I just popped them in there. And then I will make them when I get my cardstock in the next month or so. They're all finished. So really happy. I think there ended up being enough for 4 cards altogether. 2 were unmade, and then the 2 there, and the 8 layouts. So lots and lots of projects made out of the kit, and not much left over. So I'm really happy with that. Kept me going for about a month. So really happy with that. Yeah, so next video I will probably pop up will be a little haul video, because I've been buying some little prezzies for my birthday and that. So I will come back with that. But thank you for stopping by today. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.